Playing root notes is a tried and true approach for creating good sounding bass lines for your synthwave tracks. However, exclusively relying on that approach can get pretty boring after a while. Let me show you how to use thirds, fifths, sevenths, and octaves to spice up your bass lines and escape the sea of sameness. Here we have a simple chord progression in the key of A minor that consists of 1 bar of A minor, 1 bar of G major, and 2 bars of F major. The bass pattern is playing only the root notes of each chord, and together with a simple accompaniment, sounds like this. Let's change the last note at the end of every bar to the third. Here's how it sounds. Notice how the bass pattern is still the same, but a little more interesting. Now we'll use fifths instead of thirds. Here's how it sounds. Sounds good, right? Let's now try sevenths. Here's how it sounds. Sevenths have a slightly different flavor than thirds or fifths. Finally, let's try with octaves. Here's how that sounds. So far, we've been using the same interval for every chord in the progression. However, we can mix and match them as we see fit, or use none at all for certain chords. Here's a simple example. The last thing we'll experiment with is the rhythm. Up until this point, we've been altering the final note of the bar, but we could alter any note we want. This way, we can introduce even more movement and interest into our bass pattern. Use this simple approach the next time you're producing a new track. Let me know how it goes.